In this video, we're going to calculate the Consumer Price Index by the way of an example. We're going to use 3 years of data where the middle year is the base year. So here is our data. 3 years of data. We have 2 items, steak and fish, the price and the quantities for each year. We want to calculate the Consumer Price Index and then the inflation rate using 2019 as the base year. The Consumer Price Index in any given year is going to be the current cost of the base year basket divided by the base year cost of the base year basket. So the base year is 2019, so the base year basket consists of 6 units of steak and 12 units of fish. So these are the only quantities that we'll be using throughout this entire example, is the ones that I have highlighted in yellow. So the base year basket, 6 units of steak and 12 units of fish. So let's look at 2018. The current cost of this fixed basket, base year basket, is going to be the 2018 prices multiplied by the base year basket. So 10 times 6 plus 7 times 12. So that's going to be the numerator. 10 times 6 plus 7 times 12, so that's the current cost of this fixed or base year basket. And then we calculate in the denominator the base year cost of the base year basket. So we're going to use the base year prices and multiply those base year prices by, once again, our fixed basket. So we got 11 times 6 plus 8 times 12 in the denominator. We're going to multiply this by 100. It's common to do that, to put this in index number form. And after our calculations, we get a CPI in 2018 of 88.9. The CPI in 2019, the base year, same formula. The current cost of the base year basket. So since we're in 2019, we're going to use the current cost represented by the current prices. So it's going to be 11 times 6 plus 8 times 12 in the numerator. And the base year cost of the base year basket is going to be the exact same calculations. Base year is 2019, so 11 times 6 plus 8 times 12. And we get 162 divided by 162 is 1. Multiplying that by 100, we're just left with 100. Keep in mind that in the base year, the CPI will always equal 100. And finally, in 2020, the current cost of this fixed basket is going to be 12 times 6 plus 10 times 12. That's what we have in the numerator. And the denominator doesn't change. The base year cost is the base year cost, so 11 times 6 plus 8 times 12. So we're going to get 192 divided by 162. Multiplying that by 100, we get 119. So just rewriting our values here. And now to calculate the inflation rate, we can calculate the inflation rate in 2019 and 2020 using a percentage change formula. So the inflation rate in 2019 is going to be the CPI in 2019 minus the CPI in 2018, all divided by the CPI in 2018. Once we do that, we'll multiply it by 100. So using our values here, we're going to get an inflation rate here of 12.5%. And a similar calculation for 2020. It's just going to be the percentage change in the CPI as we go from 2019 to 2020. So 119 minus 100, all divided by the CPI in 2019, gives us an inflation rate of 19%. All right, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.